Hi, good night. Yeah, I'm using my selfie stick to take this video. So, I wanted to talk about something today. Um, so yesterday I found out that this might seem weird because, in truth and in fact, I'm the weird one because I'm the one in the 50. So I'm pretty much the weird one and everybody else is normal. Yes, let me just get that clear. Alright, so what I learned is that persons can actually see images in their mind. Yeah, and it might kind of sound weird, but yeah, I've never seen an image in my mind before, and I never even know that persons could actually do that. I was talking to my best friend yesterday, and I was telling her I was counting sheep, and she said, "Oh, I was just counting sheep too." And then she said, "But by the time I reach like 8, I start see some other stuff." So I was like, "You actually see the sheep?" And she said, "Yeah, I see the sheep. So when you there counting, if I see the sheep, them?" I'ma say, "No, I just did a count some imaginary sheep." And she said, "So you can't see the sheep?" I said, "No." So she said, "Close your eyes and think of a sheep and tell me if you see the sheep." So I did that. I closed my eyes and I see a blackness. And she said, "So you can't see nothing at all?" I said, "No." And I was so surprised because I never know that people can actually see images in their mind. Because I think everybody still like me who just see blackness. So I did some research and I found out that it's called aphantasia. Yeah, aphantasia. It's the inability to see mental images. So some persons say that your mind eye is blind, or you're born without it. So I can see images in my head. I find it so fascinating that people can actually see things, like just think about something and you can actually see it. Then I asked her the question, like, how can people be unhappy and you can do that? Like, you can actually create your own world in your head. I don't get it. Like, so I read about it and they're saying, imagine yourself walking on the beach. If I imagine myself walking on the beach, I'm not literally seeing myself walking on the beach. I'm just thinking of what it is like walking on the beach, like something I've done before. And I can remember, first thing I can imagine. I just don't have an imagination. So if I'm thinking of something, I'm just thinking about it. I'm not really seeing what I'm thinking about. I never even knew persons could actually do that. That's so cool. But I'm not really seeing what I'm thinking about. I'm just thinking about it. So I'm just like thinking about the concept. So is that if they can draw, I can draw very well. I can draw better than all my friends that actually can see mental images. But I can't draw things from my mind. I can draw things from my mind, but it's not that I know what I'm gonna draw. Like persons, I can draw people from my mind, but it's not actual persons. So I'm drawing a person, so I'm drawing the face and I will draw the eyes where I know the eyes to be and the nose, but it's not actually a person that I know. But you'll see when I show you, you'll actually see somebody. But yeah, I can show you a drawing that I did. Yeah, I still go look for it. And it's just really awesome to me that people can actually see. I find that really nice. So it's a discovery. They say 1 in every 50 person have. So if you are one of those persons, I would like to know. And just tell me what you feel about knowing that persons actually cannot do something that you can do. So you can just leave your comments, leave your feedback. I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you.